Alright, here's a real quick video on how to solve for a missing angle in a triangle by using an equation. Now you guys have a test this coming Wednesday and Thursday, and this is on there, and it's something that we grow confidence in it, but then we kind of lose a little bit of our confidence. So I wanted to make a real quick video breaking it down. Now we all know that a triangle is supposed to have 180 degrees total. Triangle has 3 sides and it has 1, 2, 3 angles coming together. Those 3 angles coming together will always equal 180 degrees. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the angles that I know the degrees for sure. So I know that I have 40 for sure. I also know that I have 45 for sure. And then if I look at angle R, I know part of it. I know it's x plus 45. Now we know the whole thing is supposed to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to set it up as I have, I just threw my marker. I have one angle plus another angle plus a third angle will always equal 180 degrees. So I have equals 180. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to match the color. So I have 40 degrees plus 45 degrees plus x plus 45 equals 180. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle that variable x because I know I cannot touch that first. So I'm going to step back and I'm going to look at the numbers that are not circled. I have 40, I have 45, and I have 45. I can combine like terms, meaning I can add those 3 together. So I'm going to add first 40 and 45 together. That gives me 85. So now I have 85 plus x plus 45 equals 180 degrees. So what I did is I combined the 40 and the 45 to give me the 85. Then I brought down the x plus 45, and then I circled my variable x because I still cannot touch that. So the next thing I need to do is I need to combine the 85 and the 45. So I'm going to do 85 and 45. So it gives me a 10. Then 8 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 1 is 13. So now I know I have 130 plus x equals 180. Well, I still have my variable x in there, so I'm going to circle it just as a reminder, hey, I can't use this yet. So now I got to get x by itself, and I have a positive 130. So the opposite of a positive 130 is a negative 130. So I'm going to subtract 130 to make a 0 pair, and whatever I do on one side, I do to the other. So I'm going to subtract 130 over here as well. So now I'm left with x equals, I have 50 degrees. So now that I know the value of x, I can plug that value in to get the value of angle R. So I know already that I have x plus 45. Well, my x is 50, so I can plug that in. So I can make it be 50 plus 45 because that is the value of x that we got down here. So I'm going to plug in that 50. So I have 50 plus 45, and 50 plus 45 is 95 degrees. So now I can check my work by adding all 3 of those angles together to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to add 40, 95, and 45 to make sure it gives us 180 degrees. And it does give us 180 degrees, so we have the correct answer. Okay, so just take it a step at a time. You know that there's 180 degrees in a triangle. you have to have 1, 2, 3 angles coming together. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make your equation. Circle your variable. Combine the like terms. Continue to combine the like terms. Make a 0 pair. And whatever you do on one side, you do to the other. Now, sometimes you may have like a 2x or a 3x in front of it. So you guys already know that when you have a number and an x, or a number and a variable that close together, that it's multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is division. Okay, so make sure you take it step by step. Okay, you can do this. Okay, so this will help you solve for the variable when you have a triangle. All right, good job, guys.